Impact of file inclusion vulnerability. File inclusion vulnerability allows an attacker to read its sensitive info or run arbitrary commands using the file stored on the web server or the file stored on the external site. So here I have highlighted a few impacts of the due to file inclusion vulnerability. Read sensitive info or run arbitrary commands. Compromise the entire server by granting full shell access to the attacker. So this I will show you in the demo lab. Code execution on the web server, sensitive information disclosure like revealing that /etc password as scripts or /etc shadow, log files, history, scripts, etc. And the next impact is denial of service. This may be sometimes due to downloading a large file size or running the script in the loop.